Hey, thanks for checking out my video. Today we're making garlic butter steak bites, and they are so easy. You can't screw them up unless you overcook them, and it only takes a couple minutes to cook them. So as long as you know that, I think you'll do just fine. I had some filet that I got a really good deal on, and I just cut it up into bite-sized pieces. But you could use sirloin, you could use whatever kind of steak you like. Just stay away from round steak because that's obviously very tough. So you cut it into pieces, and then you get a pan good and hot, and then you put a little oil in there. I used olive oil, and I seasoned the steak bites a couple times with salt and pepper, and that'll be it for the salt because I do end up using salted butter as well. But I think I put a little more pepper on when I put the butter in. But you cook them till they're just almost done, and then you put your butter in the pan, and which is what I'm doing right here now. And then you're going to put a little bit of garlic in there, and I used garlic paste, about a clove's worth. I had 1 pound of meat, so you don't need a ton of garlic. It's not a huge amount, but it's enough for 2-3 people anyway, possibly 4, depending on what you're serving as side dishes. So you want to cook that garlic for just a minute or two in the butter, and then you're going to put the steak back into the pan with the butter and the garlic. And then you're just going to give it maybe another minute or two just to give it a chance to soak up that butter and the seasonings, and then you're done. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for stopping by today. Take care.